How to change your playing region in Fortnite. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can change your playing region in Fortnite. So in order to change your playing region or the area or the location in Fortnite, all you'll need to do is simply follow these simple steps. So the first thing that you're gonna do is simply click onto your profile picture right here on the top. Then once you will do, this particular menu will appear, and from here click onto the setting gear icon. Now within the setting gear icon, it will lead you to your Fortnite settings, and from here click on to this game option. And once you click here, within the language and region, you can see the matchmaking region, and currently it is set to Asia in my case, but you have these following regions like Middle East, Auto, Europe, Oceania, and Brazil as well. There are other regions like the East, Central, and the West as well, which are currently not available depicted by this NA symbol, which means that these three regions are not available. So in order to change to any particular region, you can use these arrow buttons in order to change. As you can see right here, I am currently setting this to automatic, so it will pick up the best region depending upon my network and location. And once I have set it to auto, I'm going to click onto this apply button. And once this setting is applied, you can simply go back and enjoy your game in the new region. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.